nice and healthy. Good. Oh, good girl. That's a good girl. Oh, what a good girl. Oh, you're such a good girl. Look at you. You're so good for this. Sorry, I didn't get close. Oh, that's okay. I thought that was her. I'm like, what's going on?
Oh, that's mine out there throwing temper tantrums. At least I get in your way.
Nope. Doing good. Oh, you're such a good dog. What a good babe. So this dog has some tartar, but her teeth are really healthy. She has no gingivitis, no inflammation. She looks good. What a good girl you are. Okay, babe, it's okay. You're doing great.